Welcome to our channel. Today we talk about 2027 Toyota Nightshade-Pulse motorhome. So our target is 1,000 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button. Also, drop a comment which motorhome will be next. Let's dive in. Exterior. The exterior of the 2027 Toyota Nightshade-Pulse is a masterclass in kinetic design and aerodynamic violence. Draped in a stunning shine-black liquid mirror finish that absorbs and reflects light like a dark diamond. The body is a seamless sculpture crafted from reinforced carbon fiber and lightweight aerospace-grade alloys. As you can see from the image, this Titan rests on a specialized, heavy-duty 12-wheel configuration, featuring 3 sets of dual axles that provide absolute stability and an intimidating road presence. These custom 24-inch forged alloy wheels are finished in a matching deep black chrome, grounding the stealthy silhouette with a menacing, tactical stance. The front fascia is unmistakable, featuring a bold evolution of Toyota's futuristic design language, with a massive, illuminated crystalline grille and ultra-slim blade LED headlamps. One of the most striking features is the vibrant green LED lighting system that traces the sharp contours of the air intakes, the roofline, and the lower side skirts, giving it a signature cyber-luxe aesthetic. The silhouette is dominated by a massive dual-deck design, including a massive panoramic glass cockpit that wraps into a transparent side fuselage. With its low-slung stance for high-speed stability, active rear diffusers, and glowing green Toyota emblems, this motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a high-tech starship designed for the next century of luxury travel. Full interior. Step inside through the motorized power slide atrium and you are immediately welcomed into the Zen Sanctuary, a world of deep black leather, polished obsidian stone, and brilliant green laser lighting. Kitchen. The gourmet atelier is a minimalist masterpiece, featuring a waterfall edge countertop made of black volcanic stone with integrated invisible induction surfaces. It is equipped with a professional-grade espresso station, a hidden refrigeration vault, and custom black lacquer cabinetry that opens silently with a biometric touch, all illuminated by crisp green LED accents. Washroom. The Infinity Spa is a sanctuary of textured black slate and dark-tinted glass, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower with self-cleaning sapphire glass and green therapeutic lighting. The vanity is carved from a single block of matte black stone, and the smart mirror provides a high-definition display of the vehicle's vital systems and water reclamation levels in vibrant green graphics. Bedroom. Located at the rear of the upper deck, the Celestial Suite features a king-size memory foam mattress wrapped in black Alcantara with green diamond stitching. The room is surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that offer a 360-degree view, switching from crystal clear to total blackout privacy with a single voice command. LED screen view. Integrated into the forward bulkhead is a monumental 90-inch wraparound micro-LED wall. This screen functions as a digital window, projecting a live 360-degree feed of the outside world, or transforming the entire lounge into a private 12K IMAX theater for movie nights under the stars. Sofas view. The primary seating area features dual Sovereign-class modular sofas wrapped in premium shine black leather with striking green contrast piping. These sofas feature zero-gravity reclining, hot stone massage functions, and built-in haptic feedback that vibrates to the rhythm of your favorite music or the engine's powerful whisper-quiet purr. Steering wheel and dashboard. Finally, the cockpit is the brain of the Nightshade-Pulse. The dashboard is a single piece of forged carbon fiber housing a panoramic digital canvas display that integrates thermal night vision and AI pilot controls. The steering wheel is a futuristic black leather-wrapped yoke with haptic touchpads and a central green glowing hub, putting the full power of Japanese innovation right in your palms. Underneath the Nightshade armor lies a triple-motor hydrogen hybrid powertrain, delivering a staggering 1,400 horsepower and 16,000 pound-feet of torque. This enables the 2027 Toyota Nightshade-Pulse to reach 60 miles per hour in a physics-defying 4.2 seconds, unheard of for a 12-wheel rig of this magnitude. It features all-wheel independent steering for incredible maneuverability in tight city spaces and an active air glide suspension that scans the road 2,000 times per second to neutralize every bump. With its high-capacity hydrogen fuel cells and solar recovery skin, this rig offers a massive 900-mile range with zero emissions, proving that the future of travel is as clean as it is dominant. The 2027 Toyota Nightshade-Pulse is a bold statement that the future of travel is clean, powerful, and incredibly luxurious. It proves that you can have 1,400 horsepower and a 2-story master suite in one stunning black and green package. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the world's most advanced mobile home, hit that subscribe button and join the Motorhome Apex family for more. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this 12-wheel beast full-time? Until next time, stay legendary, and we'll see you on the road.